August 8th is coming, and it's coming really, really fast. All right, so let's continue with my conversation here in studio with Marcus Agenga. He is from the Elections Observers Group, and he has been giving us some of the findings that they found as an election observers group with the whole mass voter registration exercise. All right, Marcus, first I'd like to hear your comment about this unorthodox means of getting people to register as voters. There are women who've been told to deny their husband's conjugal rights. You've had that with Mishi Mboko last week. You've seen people being denied access to certain places. What is that all about?
I think that's one of the things that we have found out as well.
Okay.
And the law is very clear that the right to register and to vote is not mandatory. So I think that to force someone to register is to go against the law. And some of these people who are doing this are members of parliament. And they can change the law and make the right to vote mandatory. As it is in Kenya, to register is optional. Even when you register and return to vote is optional.
Okay.
So ILOG is against any forced forms of voter registration. Make it, it's optional.
Why do we have this, forced voters registration? What is the urgency all about, especially with everybody? I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, if I, like you said, it's my, if I want to go out and register and consequently vote, it's my own, on my own volition.
It's about democracy is about numbers. So every candidate wants to marshal the number.
Okay.
And our politics is ethnocentric. So mobilize your people, make them register as many as possible. Then when you go out there, you get the number.
I mean, for the leaders, it's very normal that they'd want to marshal as many people as possible. But what does my neighbor have to do with,
some of these neighbors are agents of your leader. Some of them are on the payroll of the leader.
They're on the payroll.
Yeah, so they have to do their work. Please make this number every single day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's talk about what IEBC has now to do with, is it how many days remaining?
21.
Yes.
About 21 days.
About 21, 3 weeks there. What is it that they have to do to sort of like be able to reach to the 4 to 6 million?
A number of things, Betty. One of them is, like I said earlier, in Baringo, for example, and in parts of Lamu and parts of Nyanza, the lifestyle of those people, they are nomadic people. Some of these people are nomadic. Some of them are fishermen. They're out, looking for money.
Yeah.
And so there is need, for example, in Baringo County, with this drought, in parts of northeastern Kenya, with water, looking for water points, ILOG is suggesting that for IEBC to reach out to these people, they must put in place systems that will be able to respond to their needs. And we have proposed to IEBC to adopt mobile registration points that follow the voters where they go. Because given a choice, do you need to, they won't allow their cattle to die.
Of course.
And go and register. So I think we have proposed to IEBC to move with speed to make this structure in place.
All right.
The second thing that IEBC needs to do is to enhance and mount a serious campaign in terms of voter census. Tell the voters to turn up. The voter campaign.
They haven't been doing that.
They
Marcus.
have, but don't give up. Yeah, don't give up. Just mount it. Just keep on doing it. Just keep on doing it, and guys will still show up.
All right.
Yeah. The other thing that we want IEBC to do to be able to reach to this number is that let other stakeholders come on board, because the responsibility to register voters not only lies with IEBC. Every citizen has a role to play. So a friend, encourage them.
Encourage.
Don't force them.
Don't carry them on your back.
Carry them. They need, if they don't like what they see, they can do something about it.
Okay.
So let us all be involved in the process.
All right.
The other thing is that in terms of equipment failure, that we have seen in Homa Bay constituency, in Iguasi constituency, in other constituencies in the northeastern, due to a number of factors, including overheating. The IBC should respond with speed and have those gadgets replaced or some of their technicians around those areas to be able to avoid people waiting for long without having to register.
Are you, from your point of view, do you think that they're going to extend this voter registration period?
I don't know, but they have said, I read the statement yesterday, the chair said that they will not extend.
They will not extend.
Yeah.
And you think that they will not extend?
And I think they will not extend.
All right. So it's up to you, but don't carry people on your
don't
bus.
Force them.
Don't force people to go register.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time, Marcus Agenga. He is from the Elections Observers Group, just giving us the key findings that as a group they were able to get with the 1 week of mass voter registration so far. All right. So we now